really thick density, so each time you're using just that much, especially in the short nails, you don't need is a lot unless you're doing it 3D pointed 3D crystal. Like blend it. You can see that my bristles spread out. Okay, make sure close and apply the no wipe top coat right on the top. Just floating on the top. Okay. And one. Oh, I like this one, looks cool. Short nails. Maybe this one better. Yeah, I have to go this way. I can see it better. All right. Looks really cool though. So sparkle in under the camera. Looks really good in person. Let's get just a little of the frame. If you don't have this smaller, you can absolutely cut this in half. Okay, hey, cut it in half. I just want to show you that. In the meantime, I'm gonna get the beads on it. And so I'm going to put the frame right on the side of both the crystal shape. You can find a lot of inspirations idea for crystal designs from our post and our website as well. So if you're happy with this, it's really simple because it's short nails, and we're going to cure it for 60 seconds.